In our work environment, it is not uncommon to be working at heights in excess of 13 feet. Any fall from these heights can most definitely result in serious injury or death. Walking on top of trailers that are slippery from weather or structural damage hidden under the roofing material are some of the dangers you can encounter. It is with this understanding that fall arrest and/or fall restraint systems have been implemented. Even though these types of systems are to help prevent injury, not using them properly can also cause injury. A fall arrest system is based on two main pieces of equipment, a harness and a retracting lanyard. This type of lanyard is designed to extend as a worker moves vertically down and retract automatically when the worker moves vertically up. If a fall does occur, the retracting lanyard will engage, arresting the fall. The harness, which is worn by only trained individuals, attaches to the lanyard. Before using a fall arrest system, it is mandatory to have had training and to inspect and properly fit the harness. Pick up the harness by the back D-ring and shake it loose. Make sure the webbing straps are not twisted or tangled. Inspect the safe T-folds to make sure that they are not torn or say do not use. Also look for any other type of wear. The straps with the D-ring pad is the top portion. Place the straps over your shoulders, similar to putting on a jacket. Make sure the D-ring is on the top outside of the harness. Fasten the chest strap across the upper portion of the chest about halfway between the nipple line and the collarbones. Allow 5 inches minimum distance from the strap to the collarbones. The chest strap should be comfortably snug. Use the plastic web clips to help position the chest strap. Reach back through your legs and grab one leg strap at a time to fasten to the buckle. Leg strap should be snug, but allow you to stand up straight and move your legs comfortably. Attaching the harness to the self-retracting lanyard should always be done on the ground. Using the tagline, pull down the snap hook to prepare for attaching to the D-ring. Inspect the snap hook to make sure it operates smoothly and open and closes completely. Also check for cracks and broken, loose, or bent conditions. Look at the snap hook stress indicator. It should be green. A red band of color will become visible after a fall has been arrested. This means the snap hook must be removed and serviced. After proper inspection, the snap hook can then be attached to the retractable lanyard. The tagline should then be stowed. Now you may safely work at your elevated surfaces. A fall restraint system helps prevent the possibility of falls by the use of a guardrail or railing to keep the worker from going over the edge. Whenever you are working at heights above 4 feet, proper fall protection should be observed. This would include the protection from guardrails and railings. When using elevated platforms such as scaffolding and scissor lifts, guardrails and railings need to be present on all sides. When working on top of trailers or the deck of a flatbed, a mechanic must either be connected to some type of fall arrest system or utilize a fall restraint system on all exposed sides. These requirements also apply to our mechanics working from our service trucks. Mechanics are not permitted to transition from a ladder onto an elevated surface such as a trailer roof or flatbed truck without the proper use of fall arrest or fall restraint system. When ascending or descending ladders or scaffolds, mechanics must always maintain 3 points of contact. Necessary tools must never be carried up a ladder or scaffold by hand. Use a hoist or mechanic's tool belt to get the necessary tools or parts to your work area. Unless properly working from a ladder, fall restraint and fall arrest are required when working at heights above 4 feet. Incidents that do not happen when you are properly protected is no accident.